Hey Craig, how you doing? My name actually is also Craig. I'm from Equilibrium Digital, and in this video, I'm going to show you 3 things that you could do today to help bring more customers into your business. I work with businesses to help grow their customer base and boost sales through numerous strategies of digital marketing. And I've found that by giving people an easy, free plan of things that they could start doing today to impact their business has resulted in some of those business owners still putting their trust in me to help grow their company. So if by the end of this video, you've liked what you've heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve and digital marketing tools and strategies that can help your business grow, just shoot me a message back and we can set up an in-depth meeting. Or if at the end of this video, you simply want to take these 3 things that I gave you today and implement them all yourself, that totally works for me too. I'm all about boosting small business. So let me show you 3 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time. So the first thing I did, and what I want to talk about today is content. So I took your page here, your website that you sent me, and I ran it in one of these tools I use called SEO Quick. So as you can see, your domain name is right here. And if we scroll down, you have 178 words on your home page. So Google has released their what they look for and what their algorithms search for and how they're built. And one of the things that they've talked about is how they look for amount of content. And we found that 1,500 words or more is what you need to be optimized with Google on that homepage. So with you being at just 178, you're missing the mark a little bit. So one just quick, easy thing you could do today is just add that content to boost your ranking on Google. So content is very important, very key, but it's also one of the easier things that you could start doing. Secondly, and the second point I want to talk about today is keywords. It kind of goes hand in hand with content, but it's the quality of your content. So I typed in fencing company Pensacola, and your #1 competitor that had popped up on the organic listing was this Superior Fence and Rail. So again, I ran them in SEO Quick. One, they have 4,100 keywords, so they are well over that 1,500. But what I want to take a look at here is the keywords. So when you type into Google anything you're looking for, any service or anything for that matter, the way Google algorithms work is they run through all of the websites that are on their page, on their search engine, and their algorithms are looking for the keywords being searched. So I looked up fencing company Pensacola. So we can see they have fence, they have company, they have fencing company. They have a lot of the keywords, and they have them a lot of times, right? They have fence company 16 times. They have fence 151 times on that homepage. We look at yours. You do have fencing 4 times, fence 3 times, no fencing company. So as you can see just right away, you're missing a little bit on the mark on the keywords. So just getting those keywords is key, because as you look at Google, when you type something in, the first 3 things you're going to see are the ads that people are paying for. But it's funny because studies have actually shown that ads are only semi-effective. And you and I both know they can really drain the wallet and be a money pit if they're not bringing in adequate revenue. So what I focus on is getting organic listing. That's the next, right under those 3 ads is organic listing, and those are the businesses that are getting higher through this SEO. And one of those main areas is keywords. So just boosting that keyword density on your page would be very important. Now the third thing I want to cover today real quick, and this is probably the most important, is going to be your backlink profile. So again, I took them and I ran them in another tool I use called Ahrefs, and we can see they have almost 10,000 backlinks. That is a lot. So what backlinks are basically Google's version of a popularity contest in simplest form. What it is a backlink is another website linking or giving a website link to your page. And why this helps is because Google really looks at UR and DR, which are your URL rating and your domain rating. Basically, your power of your website and the trustworthiness of it. The way to get these up is to get backlinks from other powerful sites. So when Google looks, they see that they have 9,000 and they see this URDR. That's because they're getting relevant backlinks. So not only is quantity important, but the quality, right? So if one of their backlinks was from Pizza Hut, it actually wouldn't help their business at all, even though Pizza Hut has a strong website, because it's, they're talking about pizzas. This is a fencing company. So you want to get quality backlinks from companies that deal with fencing, or maybe one of your people that sell you, like you're one of your suppliers or something that's providing you with fencing materials. Those are the type of quality backlinks we want to target. So in closing, we talked about three things today, three quick tips to help boost your business. First, we talked about homepage content and how much content you want to have on each page. As we talked about, you want to have 1,500 words on that homepage. Second, we discussed the importance of keywords and the quality of that content, and that you want to target the keywords that you want to be searched for. For example, fencing company, Pensacola, anything that you want people to be searching you for. Thirdly, we talked about the most important area, and that's going to be building your backlink profile. Now, if you take these three strategies that we've touched on today and you implement them, you could easily start ranking up in the organic listings on Google. So I bet you're wondering, what now? Well, you can either take this information I provided you today, do it all on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. I'm all about building small business. However, if you want a more effective route and you want to save yourself the time and see what other strategies I use to get people ranked up in the organic listings, you can give me a call at 813-515-3488. Once again, my name's Craig and my number is 813-515-3488. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.